Well, welcome back. Today, I've decided I probably should shoot this. We're going to redo this wall that we have here in the bedroom, and with pallet wood, because that's what we got and that's what we're going to use. So, without further ado, let's get to it. For this project, we needed some nice pallets, so I found some good clean pallets so that I can clean them up a little better so they'll look nice. Well, if you're like me, you have an abundance of pallets, or you know somebody that has pallets, or you can find some pallets. They're everywhere and they're free. Just don't be stupid and buy them. That's dumb. Now, there's no easy way to get these pallets off.
No.
The easiest way that I found is to take a simple pry bar and a hammer.
Yeah.
And then you knock the two. Just got to get it down on the inside. I usually start on the back and flip it on its side so that you can get it down inside of here.
No, tell me. That way.
And then ease it out. Don't.
Sorry, that everyone.
It's okay.
Awesome.
There you go. So at this point, we measure, and measure a lot. Then, like every child, you draw a picture of your measurements, and you do a lot of math. So we got our pallet wood, a whole bunch of pallet wood now. You gotta sand it down a little bit so you don't get splinters, because you don't want splinters. Today I'm going to be using this old relic. Hopefully it still works. It's the only one I got, so that's what we're going to use. Round two. Different sander, even though it's the same exact sander, and more wood. So before starting this project, I realized I didn't have a brad nailer, so here we are, the happiest place on earth. Well, there you have it. All done. Thanks for watching. As always, God bless. See you next time. And that's what you don't want to happen.